Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on quiet mode on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app and make sure to be logged into your account guys, and over here at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile picture icon. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on that three lined icons guys, and you will be over here where you can see your notifications options available. Just above the time spent, tap on notifications, and over here you can see the second one where it says the quiet mode. Tap on the quiet mode, and at the top right corner of your screen you can see the toggle icon to turn on the quiet mode. So tap on that quiet mode guys, and over here guys you will be able to set up your quiet mode's time. You can see the start time, your end time, your days. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn on the quiet mode on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.